Mum, I'm so hungry. What's for dinner?
Let's check the kitchen. Is there any bread?
No. There isn't any bread.
Is there any rice?
Yes. There's some rice.
Good. Are there any tomatoes?
Yes. There are 2 tomatoes.
Perfect. What about onions? Are there any onions?
No. There aren't any onions.
Oh. That's a pity. Is there any chicken in the fridge?
Yes. There's a little chicken.
Great. We have rice, chicken, and tomatoes.
Mum, is there any cheese?
Yes. There's some cheese.
And are there any apples?
No. There aren't any apples.
So we don't have bread, onions, or apples.
That's right. But we have enough for dinner. Let's make chicken and rice with tomatoes and cheese.
That sounds tasty.
It will be. Let's start cooking.